Hello, a very good morning students. In this video, I will explain you how to install Turbo C++ which is required for creating and executing a C program. Okay, so let us see how to install Turbo C++ in our computer machine. So first you can open any internet browser which is available in a computer system, like you can open Google Chrome or Mozilla or Internet Explorer. Just go to the Google site and search free download TC. TC stands for Turbo C. Just type these keywords free download TC and enter a key. Then after getting various search results in front of us, in that select according to your which Windows operating system version. You can select 32-bit or 62-bit full version of the Turbo C++ because it is one of the popular C compiler which is basically used for creating C and C++ program also. Okay, so according to our Windows operating system we can choose 32-bit and 64-bit and according to the Windows type. So I am here choosing download Turbo C++ for Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and Windows 10. So this Turbo C++ is applicable all these types of the Windows operating system, means it is applicable for Windows 7 also, Windows 8, 8.1 and 10 also. So that's why I am open this. Then in that they are given various instructions for executing the Turbo C++. Just click on download button. After clicking on download button, it will start the process of downloading. Okay, so see here Turbo C 3.2, this file is downloaded. Already I am downloaded this file on my computer machine, so it will take some few times for the downloading process. So let us see. It will take some time for the downloading process. Okay, so let us see here the downloading process is just completed, that is a zip file. Okay, so after downloading I am just minimize my Internet Explorer, that is Chrome, and go in computer download option, and in that download option Turbo C 3.2 is available. Okay, I am just cut that zip file and paste on C drive. Okay, because whatever we make the installation on our computer, we choose the basic drive, that is a C for installation. I am already putting this Turbo C 3.2 in my machine. Again I am just repaste that. Okay, so after putting the Turbo C 3.2 zip file in local drive of the computer system, just double click on that zip file. Okay, then it will show the folder and go inside that folder and select setup.exe file, right? That is setup.exe. I am already doing the setup in my computer machine, that's why I am not run here the setup.exe, but just you can understood. Just double click on that zip file, then open one folder, again same name Turbo C 3.2, again double click on that, and there one is setup file not setup ini or Turbo C++. You just make setup by using which file? Setup.exe. So after clicking on this setup, it will be started the setup of Turbo C++. You just every time need to click on next. Okay, I will show you again this process. Setup.exe. Okay, so it will take some few times for the installation. And click on next button and click on next button. Next, install. Every time just click on next and install. It will take only some few time and click on only finish. Okay, so in this way you can make a setup of Turbo C++ in your computer machine. Just remember we need to run which setup file? Setup.exe, and every time just click on next button and finally click on finish button, install and finish button. Okay, so I am close this window now. after installing the Turbo C++, one icon is appear on our desktop, like this is the icon of Turbo C++. That icon is appear on our desktop, and that is nothing but Turbo C++ tool, or we can say application or compiler, which is ready for creating the C program. So just click on that. After clicking, it will give one small window. In that, you just click Start Turbo C++. So after clicking on that, this is the first environment of Turbo C++ text editor, where we can perform our C programs. I am just giving this video the overlook and integrated environment of the Turbo C++, and next video we will started how to create the program and how to execute, means compile and execute the program on this text editor. So this is the environment of Turbo C++, where we can perform the C and C++ program, or I can say we can create the C and C++ program. Here multiple options are available for developing the program. First is file. In file, how many options are available? New, open. New is what? New means what? If we want to create a new program, at that time we can create a new file. Then open. If we want to open any existing file, means already our program is saved and we want to open that, then we can click on open option. Then again save. After do some modification, we need to save the program. Save as means what? At the first time, if we want to create a file, then we can click on save as, and once we create a file, then every time we can just click on the save option. Otherwise we can press which key? Function key F2. Okay, and save all means every time it will be saved. Change directory means what? We can change the default directory for storing the program. If we want to take the print, then we can take the print. DOS shell means it will show the DOS window, and last it quit means it will be exit from this Turbo C. So exit we also press on which key on the keyboard? Alt plus X. That is nothing but Alt plus X. After pressing the Alt plus X, we can just terminate this window. Okay. So once again I am open. So second is edit. In edit by option, we can cut, paste, copy, paste, undo, redo, clear, copy. Example, we can do various operations under this edit. For every these options, there is also some alternate keyboard keys are available. Either we can use keyboard keys to perform these operations, or either we can use this edit option for performing the cut, copy, paste and clear option. Then search. If you want to find or replace some things in our program, or we want to go particular line, or we want to show the errors, if we want to locate the function, at that time we go the search option which is available. In that also some options are use the shortcut keys through the keyboard. Then run. In run option we can run the program. For running the program, what is basic keyboard keys we need to use? Ctrl plus F9. Then compile, Alt plus F9. Remember, shortcut key for run and compile. We can choose this menu option also for run and compile. Rather than this, we can also use Alt F9 and Control F9. These F1 to F9, these function keys are available on keyboard. So using those function keys also we can operate the various options. Those are available in a menu bar. Okay, so debug. If we want to check line by line watches the execution of program, at that time we can choose the debug option. Then project means open the project and close the project sometime if we want to do the project. Then options. In options, various options are available: compiler, library, linker, make, debugger, directories, environment. So various options are available there. Then window. In window basically we can show the output window. Suppose every time if we want to show the output, and again immediately we can come back to the program, but sometime we want to take the printout like program and output, at that time we can go in window option and select the output. At that time output window will become along with the program. So various screens are shown under this. We can also zoom the size, style, cascade the window, close all the window. And last is help. In help, context and index means various keywords and functions and control statements are available with their along example. then various functions also, operators also, then various inbuilt function also. So all these libraries are available in help option, where we can select any particular point or any particular things in that help. It will show the meaning of that, syntax of that, and along with example it will show how they are used in a program also, right? So here suppose you can use any symbol. So what is the purpose of this symbol, why we use this symbol, and what is the example of that symbol, it will be show like so in this way the information, each and every information is available in a help index, context and index. We can also search any topic particular in help also, and here we can show this information. I am choose this operator, then it will show what is the use of that operator, what is called that operator in C programming language, how, what is its syntax, and how it is used in a program. So here showing the remaining things also. Okay, and in about it will show about the information of this tool. It will be version 3.0, copyright in 1990-92 by Borland International. Okay, so in about it will show where this actual version, name, and when it will be copyright and what is the name of that version. So this Turbo C++ we need to use for creating the C program. Understood? In next video actually we have seen how to create a new program, how to save a program, then how to compile the program and how to run the program. Okay, so for exit I am just click on file option and quit, then it will be exit, and just finally again you can close on this windows. Okay, understood? Thank you. If you have any query or any suggestions, or if you not understood how to download and install it, again give me some comments. Then in comments you can type your any queries or questions, I will answer you that. Thank you.